Let's learn how to remove backgrounds from the video. This is a fantastic way to isolate your subject and create stunning visuals for your projects. So let's jump in. Open CapCut on your PC and start a new project. In the top left corner, under the Media tab, click Import and select the video you want to edit. Drag and drop it onto the timeline at the bottom. Now comes the magic. Head over to the top right corner and click the Cutout tab. Here, you'll see an option called Auto Cutout. This is our hero for today. Simply check the box next to Auto Cutout, and CapCut will analyze your video. Sit back for a moment as it does its thing. Processing time may vary depending on your video complexity. Once processing is complete, you'll see your video with the background removed. Play the preview to see how it looks. If there are any minor imperfections around the edges of your subject, don't worry. While Auto Cutout is great, it can sometimes miss a few spots. Also, we can now add some different background. Just take New Background, put it here. Take Previous Video and drag it above New Background Video. Interesting, right? There you have it. With CapCut's Auto Cutout feature, removing backgrounds from your videos is a breeze. This opens up a world of creative possibilities for your video editing projects. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tricks.